I'm Chief Operating Officer at Geo. For those of you who don't know Geo, we design, build and operate dedicated optical fibre networks for key clients, which are predominantly large users of data requiring high performance, high capacity data networking. Some of the trends that we've seen emerging over the last year or two, one really interesting trend is the way that data centres, which appeal to their users as places where data is exchanged, are developing into some new areas, particularly in the type of data and the type of content that you see exchanged within the buildings. Historically, the internet developed around a model whereby data was exchanged in neutral locations, and for example internet exchanges like links built up their presence in these centres as a way in which their clients could exchange critical data between themselves in a neutral location. And that model is started to be followed in other areas, whereby content and information that people need to make available to one another in areas like media, streaming and digital content is beginning to be exchanged in those sites in a peer-to-peer way, which is very interesting to us because it means that our clients who've sited themselves in these sites can get value out of their networks, not only by having their off-site backup data and their processing in these sites, but also gaining access to value from other data and other content which sits within these sites. Key cases in point is as the media moves from its traditional SD video broadcast model to an HD model and even onwards to a Super HD model. You see that kind of data being exchanged freely within the four walls of neutral data centres, and the very high capacities of performance that people need to move that kind of content around are key drivers for the reasons people take our networks into these data centres.